Good morning, students. Yesterday we studied poem Recess. Yes or no? Before that, I would like to ask you, how are you all? How is your health? Please take care of yourself. Okay? Do not go out. Do not roam here and there. Only because of this disease, because of this virus, we are not conducting regular school, and it is big loss of you all. Are you understanding or not? Whatever we are explaining on videos, that only you have to listen, and on that only you have to study. There is no other option. You have to study from home. We don't know how many days more we are going to study at home, and how many more days we are just going to speak with benches, empty benches. It is really very dangerous thing, or you can say it is really boring actually now. At present it is very boring. There is no one sitting in the class. I am there in the class, but there are no my students. My students should be there in the class, but no one is there. Okay, fine. Stay safe. Okay, take care of yourself. And now we will just we will start with our poem. Yesterday I told you there are girls and boys, those who make lot of noise. They jump, they play, they laugh, they enjoy whatever they want to do. They do in short break. Correct? On same place, on same poem, we are going to study today question answers, because I have seen on WhatsApp many students are not completing their homework. I don't know why they are not completing English homework. I am seeing there are hardly 4 to 5 students they are completing homework of all subjects. And remaining now in every class there are 80 to 90 students. 80 to 90 students means strength is quite huge. And from that only 5 to 6 students are sending homework. What about others? Don't know. They should also complete their homework. So I am going to explain question and answers. Okay, questions are there. I will tell you answers of those questions. Okay, and after seeing or after listening answers orally, you have to write down those answers in your notebook. Okay, do not forget it. Now, before that, I will take word meanings once again. Yesterday we studied these 4 word meanings, right? These 4 word meanings you have to write down. What you have to do? You have to make one new page. Correct? First poem over. Rain in the night. Yes, over. Second lesson over. Aesop's fables. Yes. Now on new page you have to write down name of third poem. Recess. You have to write down that poem. Correct? On first page. Then you have to turn that page on back side of that page. You have to write down word meanings. You have to write down 4 word meanings. Now, which are those 4 word meanings? First one is recess. What it is? Recess. R-E-C-E-S-S. Recess. What is meaning of recess? The break between school classes. What is recess? The break between school classes is called recess. Second one is with quiet air. With quiet air means looking quiet, right? With quiet air. Where we have used that word with quiet air? Here it is told that girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout. While here and there with quiet air. With quiet air means what? They roam here and there. They run here and there. They laugh with each other. How they laugh? With quiet air. With quiet air means what? They look quiet. Yes, sir, they look very innocent. They look very much quiet. They don't make noise, but whatever masti they want to do, they are doing it. Correct or not? So, meaning of word with quiet air is what? Looking quiet. Next one is with might and main. With might and main is what? With all their strength. With all their strength is what? With all their power. They have lot of strength in them. They have lot of energy in them. And they are playing in short races. They are playing. Even if they are going for PT period, they are playing on the ground. You know it very well. You people, as soon as you are told to go on the ground, you enjoy. You enjoy like anything. Correct or not? And when you play a game, you use your strength. Strength means what? Your energy. You use your energy. Correct? Fourth word which is given here is OER. Now it is short form. Are you getting it? short form of word over. Full form is what? O-V-E-R, over. Over means what? Something is over. Correct or not? The game is not over. Are you understanding or not? What it is told over there? The game begins, but no one wins. Although they play with might and main, for long before the game is over. The game is over means what? The game is over means what? It is finished. Game is finished. Correct? Yes or no? Even if students are playing with lot of strength and with their might, with lot of energy, yes, they play. Everyone plays with lot of energy. Correct or not? But it is said over here that game is over. Correct or not? But no one wins. Why no one wins? Because the bell rings. For long before, here it is given. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. The bell rings for school again. This what happens over there? As soon as the recess is getting over, what happens? Bell rings and immediately you have to rush towards your classroom. Now here are some questions given in your exercise that we are going to study these questions. Okay, I will read questions for you and I will give answers also to you, and same answers you have to write down in your notebook. So first question which is given over here is answer the following. First, during the recess, what do the children in this poem do? Now during the recess, what do the children in the poem do? Can anyone tell or what I have told you? And even in short break. In short break means what? Short recess. In recess, what you people do? You come together and you play. Right? So here it is told that during the recess, what do the children in this poem do? I will write down the answer for that question. The children run, laugh, play, shout and jump in the recess. Jump in the recess. This is the first answer of first question. Okay, this is the answer of first question. During the recess, what do the children in this poem do? The children run, laugh, play, shout and jump in the recess. Okay. So why do they run? Why do they laugh? Why do they jump in recess? Because that is the free time. That is the free time which is given to the students. Correct? That is freedom which is given to the students. Yes or no? The lunch break, then short break, PT period. That is the time of freedom. Correct or not? Other times, every time teachers are telling you what teachers tell you, you have to do work, you have to write down, you have to sit and read the book. These all things are told by teachers to you. Yes or no? Only which time is free for you? Only recess is the time which is free for you. Okay. Next question which we are going to study over here is, why does no one win? Why does no one win? What is question? What is answer for such type of question? No one wins. What is reason behind that? The main reason behind that is students are energetic with lot of might. They come together. They play game in recess. But the only reason behind the game is what? Why no one wins? The reason behind that is the bell rings. Whatever time is given to the students to play, within that time only you have to play, because short recess is of 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, what you people are going to do? You will run, you will chase each other, you will push each other, you will go in washrooms, you will go for toilets, you will go for drinking water. Some students will come back in the class, they will find out books of next period. This all business goes in the recess, correct? So the answer of this question is what? Why does no one wins? Because the bell rings and you all have to go in the class. So no one wins. Next question which is given over here is, what name and names are used for recess in your school? Now what is name for recess given in our school? It is called short break. What we call it? We call it short break. There is short break and there is one long break. Two breaks are there in our school, right? We have two breaks. In long break, what we do? In long break, we have our lunch, right? That is lunch break. And that break is called long break. It is of 35 minutes, right? And short break is of 10 minutes. In short break, you have to go for washroom, you have to drink water, you can go around, enjoy little freedom, correct or not? Be little free so that you can become fresh for next periods, correct or not? Which are next periods in our school? We have 7th, 8th and 9th period after short break. So it is asked that, can you tell names of the recess? Then we can say short break, long break, lunch break, then snacks time is also there. The schools which are residential schools, in that 4 o'clock, once the school gets over, there is break, that is called snacks break. So in this way, there are some names of the recess, okay, which I have written here: short break, long break, lunch break. Okay, so you can write down answer anything, any one or two answers you can write down. You can write down lunch break, long break, short break. Okay. Next question which is given here is, how do you spend your recess? Now this question you have to write down on your own. You don't have to ask your mother or you don't have to ask your father. What is the meaning of what should I write in the recess? How do I spend? Now when you be in school and when you enjoy yourself in the recess, do you have to ask your parents? This question is asked for you. You have to write down answer of that question. Okay. If I will tell you how I spend my time in recess, you people see me in the corridor. What I do at that time? Mostly Mama brings tea for us, so we take tea. Then we mind corridors. We don't allow students to run. So you can write down 3 to 4 sentences about how do you spend your time in recess. Okay. In this way, we have completed our third poem. The name of the poem was Recess. Recess means short break. Because we don't use recess word in our school, so you will get confused. Don't get confused. You should know what is another name, synonyms of short break. Synonyms are taught you, correct or not? Synonyms means what? Similar meaning words. Now meaning is same, but words are different. So when I will say short break, then what is synonyms of short break? Then you should immediately tell me, ma'am, the synonyms of short break is recess. It is another word. Recess and short break is same word or what? No. Words are different but meaning is same. So such words are called what? Synonyms. Synonyms are which words? Synonyms are similar meaning words. So in this way, I have explained you 4 questions. I have given you some answers also on board. And today you have to write down all these question answers in your notebook. I have seen your WhatsApp messages. Many students have not completed homework. Okay. I want everyone to complete your homework, and first of all you are going to write down poem. After writing poem, you have to turn your page. Then you have to write down word meanings on next page. 4 word meanings are there. That 4 word meanings you have to write down. Then you have to leave one line. After that, you have to start writing these questions. Okay. So how many questions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are there. You have to write down question. Answer is there here. If you want to see answer on board, you can zoom video. Pause my video and then zoom the board and you can write down answer from here. Okay. I think you must have understood poem Recess. Remaining part we will study tomorrow. We will start with 4th chapter. We will complete 5 lessons of textbook and we will start with grammar then. Okay. We have completed 3 topics of English till now. Tomorrow we will start with 4th topic. I want everybody's 3 topics completed in their notebook. Okay. Thank you. See you tomorrow.